Hi, this is Marty Davis, MarineMax, Osage Beach, Missouri, across from the Outlet Mall. Today we're going to look at the 240 Solstice 2018 Harris model. Here at the back of the Harris 240 Solstice, we have the 5-step ladder, 15-degree angle, very easy to get out. We've got handrails assisting you up to the tow bar. Again, we've got safety rail and chain over here, plenty to grab coming out of the water. We attach this chain over here, making it legal to ride out on the Lake Ozark waters. Under this seat here opens up to great storage for your ropes, fenders, tubes, whatever you need to get access to. Safety door up here for children, keeping them off the back. Single lounger here is #1 selling model floor plan. Got this flip back bolster. It gives you optimal seating up here, lounge area when you're coved out. Definitely a customer favorite. Inside here we have easy access to 2 batteries, a battery maintainer, and your 4-position battery switch. All our Harris's 240 models come with the accent lighting for nighttime. We've got Simrad technology on the boats now, offering lots of GPS, sonar, lots of instrumentation. Polk audio with a subwoofer, amp. It's all Bluetooth technology. Really a great seat, very comfortable. You got to come in and sit on it to understand that. The Ultralux flip-up bolster right here, making it easy to come in, dock, see over the people in the front. And if you haven't driven a wire throttle over the old cable style, you're really missing out there. Moving up front on the 240 Solstice, you can see long, large benches offering lots of seating. Neat thing with Harris, show everybody this, is one hand opens these seats, one hand closes these seats because we're either getting something out or we're putting something in. We've got front entry. And Harris does a good job of giving you enough room to stand out here without wasting any seating area. Again, this is Marty Davis, MarineMax, leaving you here on the 240 Harris Solstice 2018 model. Come by and see me across from the Outlet Mall.